Little good. Oh, that is what you want. Look how cute they are. Look how funny he is. Cherry. So this is the wedding makeup. I haven't done my lips yet though, but I'm just waiting for everyone to turn up. And to be honest, I've got a little while, so I don't really need to do my lips yet, or sort my hair out, or to put my outfit on. So we're just gonna be chilling for a bit. Period.
I don't even know what I'm gonna do with my hair. Because I have an idea.
Okay. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Why even nothing?
Dee dee dee. What was I doing? Right. Use a knife for the comb. Why can I plug this?
Anyway.
Oh, very nice. No, I need that thing about makeup.
Yeah, of course I do. Oh my god. It is so windy right now.
My bra.
Yeah, I thought it'd be you as well.
And here I am.
I'm very impressed.
That is very sweet. Because I don't want to hold it.
Aftermath. Yo, what? What did you say?
Work and stuff, and I wanted to get them like done.
It's okay, it's okay. Yeah, let's say we're right in front. Do you want there's regular? Finally! We made it, guys! We made it! Thank the Lord.
Are you